Meanwhile, the PhilHealth Board of Directors has approved what they call the Ebola package for all Filipinos who may be afflicted by the deadly virus. The fund will be used to defray hospital expenses of those who may suffer from the Ebola virus. PhilHealth President Alex Padilla said the Ebola package will benefit members and non-members of PhilHealth.
Once maging positive yung tao, pati yung mga testing, yung diagnostics, ay sasagutin niya ng PhilHealth. Ang package namin is 116,000 for the first 7 days, no? During period niya dito ng confinement, and then an additional 16,000 per day for 7 more days, no? Dahil from ang mga pag-aaral raw ng mga dalubhasa is that 2 weeks pag nagpakita ang simptomas raw yung tao, 2 weeks po ang treatment sa kanya. After 2 weeks, either buhay siya o patay.